What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I have something amazing for you guys. This is going to be a full tutorial and trading guide for the Bitget exchange. As you know guys, Bitget is one of my favorite exchanges and I've been using and trading Bitget for a long time now. And I thought it's time I make a tutorial trading video for you guys watching at home so you can get even more benefits from Bitget and hopefully more profits as well. Guys, in today's video, not only am I going to be telling you how to use it, I'm going to be giving you one trading tactic that's going to be absolutely amazing for your trading gains and your profits. And also I'm going to tell you how you can copy professional traders. So if you are too lazy, if you don't have the time, whatever it may be guys, we have a solution for you. So guys, as always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. Let's drop a like on today's video if you enjoy this content guys, when I'm helping you how to improve your trades. Let's get 500 likes in today's video. That will be absolutely amazing. Guys, if you're new around here, first of all, I want to say a huge, massive, warm welcome to the channel. And second of all, I want to say scroll down, hit subscribe, and then tick that notification bell. Guys, as I said in the intro, you know that I've been trading on Bitget for a while now. And also, it's like one of my favorite exchanges. So that's simply why I wanted to bring you this video. I just feel like there should be a tutorial video out there. There should be a guide helping you how to make more profits. And that's exactly what this video is. So let's jump into the Bitget exchange, and then later on I'm going to show you how exactly you can copy professional traders, and then I'm going to give you one strategy how you can improve your trades and trade on Bitget and make even more profit. So it's going to be a great video guys. Get yourself a cup of tea, some coffee, some biscuits, whatever it may be. Sit back and yeah, let's jump into the charts. Alright guys, so now we are on the Bitget exchange. We can see the exchange looks extremely clean and user-friendly. If you didn't already know, Bitget is one of the top-tier trading exchanges, and they actually reached an all-time high of around 8.7 billion as of February 2022. If you didn't already know, Bitget is one of the highest volume trading exchanges there are out there, and as of February 2022, they announced nearly 9 billion in trading volume, which is more than 300% compared to the previous year. So Bitget is growing, it's growing fast, and it's definitely here to stay. Before we go any further in video guys, I just want to remind you and let you know that down below this video there is a link to join Bitget. Click this link right now, pause the video, go ahead and join, because you're going to get up to a $5,000 bonus plus 15% off your trading fees. One of the best offers out there I have negotiated with Bitget to get you the best deal, so I really would appreciate if you take advantage of it, and it is linked down below. Let's move on further, and yeah, if you've been looking for a place to get started, Bitget is one of the platforms that offers excellent entry into the kind of crypto market. Not only can you buy fiat on there, you can deposit your crypto, you can start trading, you can copy trade. They also have trading competitions as well. They have a lot of different things to offer, all under one roof. Also, they have around 2 million plus users in 48 different countries, and their daily trading volume, it says, is around $8 billion, which is completely crazy. Not only that though, according to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, it was ranked 3rd globally in January of this year as the highest derivatives volume exchange, which it's crazy, because to become in the top 3 or top 5, you need a serious amount of volume, and Bitget is delivering that. Although it's never perfect to leave your crypto on an exchange, Bitget does the best to in fact have the best security and make sure that your funds are safe. Not only do they have 24/7 live support chat, but also they have a lot of features in place to make sure that your funds are in fact staying safe. As I said earlier, it's one of the easiest exchanges to deposit crypto. You simply make your account using the link down below. I've already deposited some onto the exchange, but you can simply just search and click deposit right there and simply send it from a different wallet, whether that may be another exchange or a hardware wallet, wherever it may be. Also, you can go ahead and buy crypto simply by going up here and clicking buy crypto. You can then click on P2P trading right there, and you can click express, and it's almost instant to buy crypto. So you can just buy it right here from the website, depending on which different payment method you want, and have crypto almost immediately on the exchange. Now, I just wanted to quickly talk about that exchange token, guys, because as you know in my videos, I love exchange tokens, and Bitget's exchange token, BGB, is something potentially that could give amazing returns. Of course, not financial advice, but over the next 6 to 12 months, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into BGB. And yeah, right now it's 16 cents. As we know, over the past few years, exchange tokens traditionally have performed very, very well. Now, I'm not saying this exchange token will do 100x. I'm not saying anything like that. I'm just saying traditionally in the past, exchange tokens within the top 10, which Bitget is, have performed very, very well. So that's why over the next 6 to 12 months, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging in. And we can see just since around about November, December of last year, we've gone from around 6 cents up to around 16 cents, which definitely is a very nice multiplier. It's around a 2 to 3x, which I think is nice, but I think there's way more to come from BGB in the future compared to just a 2 to 3x. But anyway, that's just my opinion. Also, I would recommend following them on Twitter as well if you haven't already. It's a great place to go ahead and keep updated with everything. So go ahead and drop them a follow. And yeah, let's talk about the exchange, guys, and let's go into some trading strategies right now, because I think that with this trading strategy, it's really simple and easy to use. You could potentially be making $100 to $200 per day. Let's go over to TradingView right now. And if you haven't got yourself a TradingView account, just go to tradingview.com, get a free account, and then you can make the most of these indicators out there. Today is going to be a very simple indicator, or two indicators that we're going to be using. And I really want the beginners out there to benefit from this trading strategy and style. And I think it's one of the easiest ways you can trade to make profit. And of course, Bitget as well, it does have leverage. If you're a beginner, maybe you should start with only 2 to 3x leverage. If not, start trading on spot, as it can be risky. However, as you start to get more confident, as you start to make more profitable trades on Bitget, you can slowly increase that leverage up. And that's how I started, and that's how I think is best personally. So once we're over on TradingView, I'm on Bitcoin USD on the 1 hour chart. We want to come to indicators and we want to type MA. We want the moving average. We want to click on this twice. Once we've done that, we want to simply type in MACD, and we want to click on the moving average convergence divergence. Now, guys, I've made a lot of videos on the MACD, on the moving averages. I'm not sure I've taught this exact strategy, but I have so many videos on my channel if you wanted to learn even more of these different trading strategies. So we want to go over here and change the pattern of this one, the style. Let's first of all start with 50. This will be the 50 period moving average, and let's keep this blue and just make it a little bit thicker so it's easy to use. And then we want to come up here and change the second moving average. We want to put this to yellow color. We want to make it thicker. We want to change the inputs to 200, and this will be the 200 moving average. Now we can see this changes quite a lot. So we have our moving averages on the chart right here. We have our yellow one, which is the 200 MA, and we have the blue one, which is the 50 MA. Now, the basic premise of this, before I get in any further into the chart, is we want to enter a short position when the yellow is crossing above the blue line, and we want to enter a long position if the blue line is crossing above the yellow. That's pretty much as simple as it gets, guys. It can't get any easier. And then we go ahead down here and we use the MACD to confirm this entry. So for example, we have a cross on the chart of the 50 and the 200. The yellow is crossing above the blue in this example right here. We then want to go ahead below and check in the MACD at the exact same point if we are bullish or if we are bearish. And this gives us two confirmation signals, and we can go ahead and enter the trade over on Bitget. So we can see in this example right here, first of all, I'll explain what's bullish and what's bearish. So if we have the green candlesticks here above the 0 line, which is the median middle line right there, then we are in fact bullish, or more bullish than bearish. And if we are below the middle line right here and we have red candlesticks right there, we are bearish. Also, you can tell if these the MACD lines are below the 0 median line, and also the larger these candlesticks are, or the further apart these MACD lines are right here, the larger the move is going to be, the larger the more bearish it is basically, or bullish depending on which chart you're looking at. So now we can see right here we have had a cross, and this is a yellow cross, a 200 over the 50, the blue. This would be a bearish signal, so we would want to in fact short the market in this case, which you can do on Bitget. So down here we have this cross. Now we need a confirmation. We can see now we've had the cross, and now we've had a second confirmation, because look right here, we are in fact in the red, we are below the median line. This is bearish, so this will be a signal to go ahead and enter a trade. And you may say, Jack, how if I enter this trade, how do I know where I can exit? Well, you can simply exit on another cross. And we can see right here, we have potentially having a cross towards the upside. So we can see right here, we would enter the trade around about here, and we would exit around about here. This is just 11 days, and this is a 20% profit. Now, this 20% can be multiplied by whatever number you want, depending on which leverage you use. So if you want to use a 10x, this 20% could become 200%. So this is how you can see it starts to get very, very bullish. So yeah, that's the first example which I wanted to talk to you about. If you wanted to enter a short position, you would come over to Bitget. I go over to market, select which asset you want to go ahead and trade. Then you come over here and you go to the market. Make sure you're on Bitcoin right there, BTC USD. You then come down. Of course, guys, you can make your account below in the video description. You then come down here and you want to go ahead and make sure, like I said, you're on Bitcoin USD, which I am looking at. You want to have available balance in your account. I have $300 in my trading account. You want to go ahead and transfer it if you haven't already to your trading account. Then you want to go ahead and I always put isolated, which is in my opinion much better. It doesn't take margin from all your accounts. Then you can choose in fact what you want to do, long or short. Short, for example, here, and let's do 10x. We'll click confirm. You then set the Bitcoin price you want, or you can just go ahead and market order. For example, if you are already in the market right here and the price is currently sitting right there, you could just simply do a market order and it buys at the best available price. Or if you're waiting for a specific price, you can go ahead and do limit. And let's say you're right here and you think it's going to drop a little bit more from this price. You think it's going to drop a couple $100 more. You can just go over here and type in like a price like that, and then you set the amount 100 like so, and then you go ahead and click short, and that's literally as easy as it gets. It's extremely easy to do. Yeah, let's take a look at an example of a long trade. So for example, you may want to go ahead and long the Bitcoin price, but you don't know where you want to long it to. Let's say, for example, we're in the current price right now as I'm filming this. We have a potential cross coming here. The blue is crossing above the yellow. This is usually a bullish sign. You want to long the Bitcoin price. We have another area right here. Okay, so here we wouldn't in fact enter because we're on the hourly chart and we are seeing a negative on the MACD. So maybe you would want to wait a few hours and see if this flips back positive. As it can do, we can see right here, we can have 1 or 2 bars on the negative and then it can flip back positive. But let's just say, for example, you wanted to enter this trade. You would go over to Bitget and you would go over to right here. Let me just remove this. Let's put the current price just so it's easy. We could simply go to market, and this will just buy the market price, whatever the market price is here. And then you can go ahead and click long 10x, for example. And then you just go ahead and click buy long like so, buy long. And you just go ahead and click confirm. I'll confirm it. I'll open this trade. It just takes a few seconds. And now we can see this trade is open. We have a 10x BTC USD isolated. We can go ahead and see the position right here, the open orders, the margin ratio, the price, fair price, the margin, liquidation price, which is the price where you'll get liquidated. We can see the profit and loss, the ROE, the margin ratio, unrealized P&L. All the information is in fact down there. And this shows you basically exactly how you want to go and do it. You can also close it. If you want to go and close the trade, you can click confirm and this order goes ahead and gets closed. It's extremely easy to use, guys. The exchange is extremely easy to use. You can also click flash close right here, which we can see right there. Flash close, order close. Close price is market price, and this will simply just go ahead and immediately close it. The previous one was like a limit close if you wanted to have a set price and you wanted to limit close it. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I mean, just another little tip if you were worried how or where you can in fact go ahead and enter or exit. To do that, I would go over to the daily chart and kind of map out some levels of support and resistance. You can see just like this. I would go ahead and put one there. I would go ahead and put some like there, like so. And then when you're zoomed in, you can basically see where the best place to go ahead and exit would be. For example, here, if you were entering on this trade, as I gave you in the previous example, you wouldn't really know where to exit. However, you can see that we do have a level of support exactly down here at exactly $29,900. So this will give you a good rough idea of where you can in fact exit. Guys, let's now go ahead and quickly take a look at the copy trading feature. I know this video has been long already, but I think it's going to be very, very valuable. We go over to copy trade right there, and this is basically an extremely easy way to trade without the stress and drama and the time consuming, just the amount of time that you consume looking at the charts for entries. We can see over here already these traders that you can follow right now: 500% ROI, 200% ROI, 5,000% ROI. There are many different traders that you can in fact go ahead and follow, and I just want to give you a few quick top tips as to how to choose the best trader. Obviously, you probably don't want to choose one which is in a loss, depending on what time frame it's on. If it's a daily loss, that's perfectly fine, because as you know, with trading, we have days where we lose, we have days where we win. You want to go ahead and check out a trader with a large amount. However, 5,400%, let's check this out. This could potentially be a little bit risky. So we can see here, ROI 5,400%, the total profit and loss $1,300. So this amount, it's not really such a large amount. I tend to follow traders with a larger profit amount, because if he's just trading with $1,000, guys, or the P&L amount $1,000, it shows you that maybe he's not trading with such a large amount. So maybe the risks he's willing to take for his amount of money is not as much as the risks you're willing to take. So we can go to orders right here, and we can see long 50x. So we can see this guy is doing 50x trades, which probably isn't the best idea if you're wanting to try this out. So let's go ahead and check someone else out. For example, Play Fun right here. This trader, we can see right here, they are doing 20x. So this is definitely still risky. However, it's a lot less riskier than 50x. And we can see right here, they have around 10K profit, which definitely is a lot. We see 1,323 gain and 61 loss. And they're trading Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. This is definitely something that I would potentially go ahead and follow. Of course, do your own research depending on which trader you want to go and follow. But there's literally hundreds and hundreds of traders on here, guys. You can go ahead and check out and follow. Then it just goes on for forever. You can see crazy return amounts like 5,000-6,000, but as I said before, just check it out and see exactly what the real return of it is and what amount they're trading with, what leverage they're trading with, just to save yourself and have a little bit of risk tolerance. So guys, I want to say a huge thank you for everyone watching this video. If you haven't already gone down below this video and sign up to Bitget to get your $5,000 completely for free, plus 15% off your trading fees, go down below right now at this video, sign up, make yourself an account, and let's go ahead and start trading. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.